Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amira Shakila binti Azlan.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nona Husna binti Muhammad Saifuddin.
My name is Tengku Azizah Nurain binti Tiku Fadilah.
My name is Sharifah Najwa binti Said Abu Bakar.
In our presentation today, we will be explaining about company background, system description, problem statement, database objective, ARD, third normalization, query for DDL, and query for DML.
Our mission, we are an organization dedicated to delivering healthy food at the door of our customers. We aspire to deliver professional services on a timely basis based on best practice for the satisfaction of our customers. Our vision, we are working to create social impact by creating jobs from both unemployed males and females who are linked to self-employed employees. Objective, our objective is to become the fastest, most creative organization in the healthy food sector worldwide. Entertaining a special brand of humor, at puTa we believe that the best stars are created with imagination, wit, and a definite insight into local Cajun culture. This is our organization chart. Our founder, Amira Shakila Azlan. Next, our general manager, Nur Najwa Husna Muhammad Saifuddin. Our supervisor customer service, Tengku Azizah Nurain Tengku Fadilah. And our admin and accountant, Sharifah Najwa Said Abu Bakar. puTa processes and directly sends order to partner restaurant, then delivers the meal to the client by delivery riders. The service is accessible via its mobile apps and websites. It links clients with restaurants in their regions that provide food delivery and allows them to pick, order and pay online by entering their postcode on the web and browsing for food from a list of restaurants. Customer order food. Before entering an address and heading to the checkout, they will create meat by browsing restaurant menus and choosing item that they want to order. To confirm orders and their approximate delivery time, the food delivery sends out an SMS. puTa also has a restaurant page review site where customer can comment on restaurant sales, delivery, taste, and overall impressions of restaurants. Our company has 8 entities, which is first entity is company. In company, there are 3 attributes, which is company name, staff ID, and manager ID. Next, staff. Staff has 3 attributes, which is staff ID, staff name, and order details ID. In delivery, we have delivery ID, delivery date, supplier ID, and customer ID. In customer, we have customer ID and customer name. In order details, we have order details ID, item quantity, and product ID. In vehicle, we have vehicle type, vehicle ID, and delivery ID. In manager, we have manager name and manager ID. Last but not least, supplier, we have supplier ID and product ID. This is our one-to-one relationship. In one-to-one relationship, we have 6 one-to-one relationship in our company. First, between company and staff. Second, we have between staff and order details. Third, we have between staff and manager. Fourth, we have between company and manager. Fifth, we have between suppliers and delivery. Last, we have between delivery and customer. One-to-many relationship. In one-to-many relationship, we have 4 one-to-many relationship in our company. First, between customer and order details. Next, between order details and product. Between product and supplier. Last, we have between company and manager. Many-to-many relationship. In our company, we have 2 many-to-many relationship. First, between delivery and vehicle. To connect between those two entities, we have to create another table which is delivery vehicle map. Next, between delivery and customer, we also create another table to connect between those two entities which is delivery customer table.
Current problem statements. Firstly is unreliable delivery. It is a problem that often bothers customers. Nobody likes when their food arrives late or cold. Things like this happen because of traffic, order volume, and lack of training. This problem is important to solve because it can lead to customers leave our apps. Secondly is logistic issues. Food delivery apps sometimes face some serious problems when it comes to logistics. For example, choosing coverage area, determining the number of vehicles needed, and keeping food fresh when delivering to far destinations. There are several concerns that should be dealt with. To keep customers, the delivery should be on time. Next is food quality. With food delivery, there is always a risk for poor packaging or spillage. This can happen if couriers are not carefully of the restaurants don't pack food correctly. Food that serves in a restaurant right from the kitchen is different from food delivered to your doorstep. Last but not least is breach of security. When we store the data using filing system, it will lead to risk or breach of security. For example, filing system doesn't require any authorized permission to access the file. So whenever you want to access it, will be available for you. But this is disadvantage because there is no security to the data. It will cause a disaster to the business because their business personal information such as account number will be exposed. Proposed database objective. Firstly is to have comprehensive driver performance metrics and detailed order histories to driver app. These features will help drivers analyze their performance and improve their productivity. Secondly is add route optimization system to our mobile application to make sure the food is delivered on time. For example, is Rubifig API can solve this issue. Moreover, keep updated the customers by adding real-time location tracking to the mobile food delivery application. Thirdly is to minimize data inconsistency. Data inconsistency is when multiple of same information of data is stored at different place. This will create confusion to user. By using database management system, there will be no repeated of the same information data. For example, when we want to update the raw materials or the inventories, there will be no duplication of same data. The data will be automatically updated. Next is to improve data security. It helps to prevent the breach from unauthorized access. If the data about staff's personal information, the company's account stored using the database management system, the information will be more secure. There will be passwords that can only be accessed by the authorized person.
This diagram shows the ERD for puTa company. It starts from the company to the staff, which is show the relationship of one to many. Secondly, staff to order details also is one to many relationship. Third is order details to customer is also one to many relationship. To customer to vehicle to delivery is many to many relationship, and this shows that the vehicle as the bridge. Lastly, delivery, supplier and product is also one to many relationship, and it shows that supplier as the bridge. There are three examples of DDL. The first one is delivery, the second one is staff, and the third one is customer.
For the DML, if we want to insert new rows, we are using insert into and values. For inserting rows with null values, we are adding staff ID, staff name, and order details ID. For update rows in a table, we use command update and where. And for deleting rows, we are using command delete and specific rows by using where clause.